All right, Graham, I have another question here for you.
Okay.
I don't know the answer to this, and doing so many of these videos, you think I would know the answer, but it's who first made Blvd?
That's a really good question. Let's jump back in time. 1984. The company that first invented the solvent in the chemical formulation for polybutylene was none other than DuPont, the major plastics manufacturer in North America here, in the world actually. Combined in a joint deal with Royal Dutch Shell, they invented polybutylene piping as the revolutionary product for all of plumbing. This pipe was revolutionary at the time. You've got to think that every plumber before was using copper and soldering every single joint, not only for residential, commercial, industrial, and all of a sudden these guys came around and said, listen, I can reduce your time by 10 times for installation. Your cost is reduced by 3 times. The install speed, the materials used, the chance of a leak, astronomically better. So this was a worldwide phenomenon. It was it took North America by storm, to tell you the least. And yeah, so Shell and DuPont were the original manufacturers of polybutylene piping. Does that, bet you didn't know that one, hey?
No, thank you for that one. Very much appreciated.
No problem.
Any other brain busters? Put them in the comments.
Yeah, exactly. Any other brain busters, comments, put them down there, and I will make new videos for you guys. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed the videos. If you did, please like and subscribe down below. And if you have any more questions, hit me up in the comment section and we'll make more videos. Thanks guys.